Before you risk a single dollar in 2026, you need three things: a charting platform, a broker to execute trades, a performance tracking system. Most beginners skip at least one of these, and that mistake adds months to their learning curve. Today, I'm showing you the exact tools professional traders use and how to choose the right ones for your journey. Every trader, stocks, crypto, forex, needs a place to analyze the market, a place to execute trades, a place to review performance. Think of it like this: charting equals your eyes, broker equals your hands, journal equals your brain. If one of these is missing, you're trading half blind. Let's begin with the charting platform, because this is where you'll spend most of your time. And for 2026, nothing beats TradingView. Here's why: clean, intuitive charting. Every indicator you could need, easy drawing tools, great for beginners. Replay mode for backtesting works for stocks, crypto, forex, everything. And the best part, the free version is more than enough for your first few months of learning. Paid plans give extra alerts, more indicators, and quality of life upgrades. But don't feel pressured to upgrade yet. If you're new, just open TradingView and start watching how price moves. That alone will accelerate your learning faster than any strategy video. I will give you the links to the tools below. Your broker is where you actually place trades, but the right broker depends on what you want to trade. If you're trading stocks, TD Ameritrade, Thinkors's Win platform is powerful. Interactive brokers, great feels, low fees. Charles Schwab, beginner friendly. These are reputable, long-standing, regulated options with trustworthy execution. If you're trading crypto, Coinbase Advanced, Kraken, Binance US, if available in your state. Crypto markets run 24/7, and that's why many beginners prefer them. More flexibility, more price movement, more opportunity. Tell viewers exactly what matters. When choosing a broker, prioritize low fees, reliable execution, intuitive platform, solid reputation, customer support. Don't choose a broker just because your friend uses it or the interface looks cool. This decision affects your money. Pick a broker, don't follow one. Here's where 90% of new traders fail. They don't track their trades. They don't know why they entered, why they exited, what emotions they felt, whether they followed their plan, which setups actually work for them. If you don't track your performance, you can't improve. You're just guessing in the dark. You have three options. Option A, simple spreadsheet, free, easy, perfect for beginners. Columns should include date, entry, exit, risk, setup, notes, emotion, outcome. Option B, trade journal apps, tools like Edgewonk, TraderSync, TradeZilla. These offer automatic imports, trade tagging, advanced analytics, equity curves, emotional notes. Great for serious improvement. Option C, manual notebook. If you're brand new, even handwritten journals help you become more conscious and disciplined. The method matters less than the habit. Tracking your trades is how you turn knowledge into skill. Here's how your 2026 setup should flow. 1. You analyze the chart on TradingView. 2. You execute through your broker. 3. You review everything in your journal. That loop, analyze, execute, review, is how traders get better every single week. If you repeat this cycle for 6 months, you will improve faster than 99% of beginners. If I had to recommend a beginner setup right now, TradingView free for charting, Coinbase Advanced, or TD Ameritrade for execution, Google Sheets for journaling, and that's it. You don't need fancy tools, you don't need complex software, you need consistency. Start simple, upgrade later, master the basics first. Now that your tools are ready, it's time to learn the single most important visual skill in trading: how to read candlesticks. If you can't read a candlestick chart, you cannot understand price action, you cannot time entries, and you cannot trade confidently. but don't worry, I'll show you exactly how it works in the next video. Click on the next video, how to read candlestick charts, beginner-friendly tutorial. It's one of the simplest skills with one of the biggest impacts on your trading journey. See you there.